Welcome to Asking Questions Cheat Sheet, Part 1. How's your day going? How have you been? What have you been up to lately? How's everything going? How was your weekend? Excuse me, do you know where the nearest toilet is? Sorry, are you in the queue? Is this seat taken? Do you mind if I sit here? Excuse me, could I ask you something quickly? Excuse me, how do I get to the station? Is this the right way to the shopping center? How far is it from here? Can I walk there from here? Could you point me in the right direction? Does this bus go to the city? Which platform does the train leave from? Is this the right tram for the hospital? Do I need to tap on here? How many stops is it from here? How much is this? Do you have this in another size? Do you have this in another color? Is this on sale? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Excuse me, where can I find the eggs? Do you have any more out the back? Is this the right price? Could you do a price check on this? Can I pay by card? What do you recommend? Do you have any dairy-free options? Can I get this takeaway? Could I get that without sugar? Is there a toilet here? Do you have a table for two? Could we see the menu, please? What's popular here? How spicy is this dish? Could we get the bill, please? What's the priority here? When do you need this by? Who should I speak to about this? Can you show me how this works? Is there anything else you need from me? Could you explain that again? Can we go over that one more time? What's the main issue here? What are the next steps? Who's going to follow up on this? Do you have a minute? Can I quickly check something with you? Am I on the right track with this? Would you like me to handle this? Is there a better way to do this? Are you busy at the moment? Do you need a hand with that? Have you had lunch yet? Are you coming to the meeting? Did you see that email? Great job! Go through this lesson again and practice the questions multiple times. The more you repeat them, the more natural your English will become. See you in part 2.